Assalamu alaikum, class 7. How are you, students? Fine, alhamdulillah. I hope you all are doing great in your studies. Good. Are you doing your work regularly? It's very important to you to do your work regularly because your exams are near, okay? So watch the videos carefully and then do your work properly according to the given instructions. So today we learn about unit number 9. Okay, who will tell me? Let's recall the previous concept. Who will tell me what we have learned yesterday? Yesterday we learnt about convergence. Very good. Convergence in kilometer per hour. That was the topic. Convergence in kilometer per hour. That was our previous topic. Okay. It's very important to know the convergence, whether we will multiply or divide in the given and what is the convergence factor, so that we'll be easily be able to convert and then to solve. Okay, so let's recall the convergence. First is kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So if we want to convert kilometer into meter, what will we do? The convergence factor is 1000, so we'll simply multiply it with 1000. Okay? And to go back into kilometer, from meter to kilometer, we'll divide. We'll divide the given kilometers by meters by 1000. So we'll get the answer which is now in kilometer. Okay? Similarly, the next factor is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So, if we want to convert meter into centimeter, what will we do? If we want to convert meter into centimeter, we'll simply multiply by 100. Okay? And if we want to go back centimeter into meter, then we'll simply divide by 100. Is it clear? These are the conversions which we will use in our today's lesson. Now let's move to the convergence of time. G. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay? 1 hour contains 60 minutes and in 1 minute we have 60 seconds. So if we want to convert hours into minutes, what will be the convergence factor? G. To go hours into minutes, we will multiply with 60. And if we want to go back from minutes to hours, what will we do? We'll divide by 60. The convergence factor is 60. Similarly, if we want to go from minutes to seconds, what will we do? If we want to go from minutes to seconds, we will multiply minutes by 60 to convert them into second. Similarly, if we want to go seconds into minutes, what will we do? We will divide by 60. Okay? We will divide the given by 60. Is it clear, students? Okay. Now if we want to go hours into directly into second, hours into seconds, then what should we do? 1 hour contains 3600 seconds, 60 minutes and 60 seconds. So if we want to go from hours to second, we will multiply by 3600. Okay? So these are the conversions for time. Now keep these conversions in your mind and let's start our today's lesson, which is about conversions. Express in meter per second. Express in meter per second. Okay? First is 65 centimeter per second. 65 meter per second. Sorry, centimeter per second. We want to convert it into meter per second. What will we do? G. This is the same question as we done yesterday. Exercise 9D, question number 3. So 65, we have 65 meter per second. And we want to convert this centimeter into meter. What is the conversion factor for centimeter into meter? One centimeter is equal to 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So simply divide 65 with 100 to get in centimeter. 65 divided by 100. So you get the answer in meters. And the denominator is second and we want in second. So there is no need to change. Simply divide 65 with 100. We will get 0.65 meter per second. This is now in meters and second remains same. So this is the conversion for 65 centimeter per second. Simply convert centimeter into meters by dividing it with 100 and then write the answer. Is it okay? Good. Now see another example. 367 kilometer per hour. 367 kilometer per hour. Oh, kilometer per hour. And now we want to convert into meter per second. Okay? 367 kilometer per hour. To convert kilometer into meter, what will we do? One kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So we want to convert kilometer into meters, so simply multiply 367 with 1000. Now it is in meters. And to convert hour into seconds, what will you do? 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. So write 3600 seconds instead of this hour. As we know that 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Okay? Now multiply and divide and simplify the answer. When we multiply 367 with 1000, we get 367,000. Okay? 67. Okay. 367,000 over 3600. Now cut the zeros with these two zeros. Now we have 3670 over 36. Okay? So now divide these two and then tell me the answer. When we will divide these two, we will get 101.9 something meter per second. Now this is in meter per second. Okay? So there are simple steps. Just use the convergence factors and simplify. For example, in this question, if we want to convert it into meter per second, so the simple steps are involved. First of all, use the convergence factors for kilometer to meter and then hours into seconds. Okay? So kilometer to meter, the convergence factor is multiplied by 1000 and we know that 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Multiply, divide and then simplify and write your answer in meter per second. See another example. Next example is 1000 centimeter per minute. 1000 centimeter per minute. Yes, it looks very interesting example. 1000 centimeter over minute. Now we want to convert it into meter per second. Convert this centimeter into meters and minutes into seconds. So what is the convergence factor for centimeter to meter? This is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So if we want to convert centimeter into meter, we'll simply divide it by 100. 1000 divide by 100, now it is in meter. And 1 minute is equal to, we have 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So to convert minutes into second, what will we do? Simply we will multiply by 60. Okay? To convert minutes into seconds, we will multiply minutes with 60. Is it clear, students? Now this is in meter and 60 in seconds. Okay. Now first of all divide 1000 with 100. You can divide like this over 60. Zeros cancel away and we are left with 10 over 60. Again zeros cancel and we have only 1 over 6 meter per second. 1 over 6 meter per second. Or you can write it in decimal by dividing. After dividing you will get 0.166 meter per second. Okay? This was the conversion of centimeter per minute to meter per second. Convert centimeter into meter by dividing by 100 and meter into minutes into second by multiplying minutes with 60. See the last example. 125 centimeter per second. 125 centimeter per second. G. Oh, sorry. Next example is 86 kilometer per minute. Now convert this into meter per second. Take out your copies and try to do this example in your copy. I am waiting for your response. Okay? So do this. Yes, Abdullah, have you done this? Okay, good. We have 86 kilometer per minute. Okay. First of all, see the conversion factor from kilometer to meter. What is the conversion factor for kilometer to meter? The conversion factor for kilometer to meter is multiplied by 1000. And minutes into second is 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So this is multiplied by 60 seconds. Yes, student, is it clear? Now tell me the next step. In the next step, we will multiply 86 with 1000 and divide with 60. Now simplify. This 0 is cancelled with this 0 and we have 8600 over 6. Divide this 8600 with 6. After dividing you will get 1433.3 meter per second. Okay. So these are the conversions. Now do practice of these examples and your assignment is to do exercise 90 question number 4 in your neat copies. Plus if you find any difficulty you can ask me, students. I am here to help you. Okay. One more thing, do your work neatly in good handwriting, good presentation, write date and day above your page. Okay, draw margin line and draw a column for rough work and do your rough work in that column. Is it okay? Thank you, students. Allah Hafiz.